Hi, it's Mark Marmer from Signature Electric. We're at the 2020 Auto Show. So the theme of the Auto Show this year is transformative times, and that plays right into what we're interested in, which is electric vehicles and the changes in vehicles in general. Last year we focused on trucks. We stopped at the Ford F-150s, a big display. I haven't been over there yet, but we'll take a look. Maybe we'll see something plug-in. I know during the year I saw some interesting stuff. We're going to stop at the Mini display, and I think we've moved from concept cars to something real. I think we can find something that's transportation without four wheels. Maybe that might be interesting. We'll get out on the floor and take a look and see what we see.
Today, we do have a new vehicle for you to look at.
So I'm here with Patrick from Volkswagen.
The beauty of the E-Golf is if you love that golf experience, the solidity, the driving feel, the faultless ergonomics, it's all there. It's a Golf that's electric.
We're at Electric Avenue, so this has got to be right. What caught my eye was the Kona Electric.
The Kona Electric actually has auto regeneration, which I think is its best feature. It's unbelievable. So what it'll do is it'll toggle between the levels of regen automatically based on what's in front of you, based on the road, if there's an incline, yeah.
Toyota.
Separate the hydrogen from the oxygen in that process, capture the hydrogen. That becomes the fuel which under pressure is stored in the tanks on board, and then it runs back through a fuel cell, combines with oxygen, and creates electricity and water as the byproducts of that chemistry. The benefit for a country like Canada, which has a lot of green electricity on its grid, is we can be using that electricity and our abundant supply of water to do things like take diesel fuel out of the economy.
But we're up to 383 kilometers on the Soul, 385 kilometers on the Niro, some of the best ranges in the industry. And what's nice about these cars is they come fully loaded. In fact, between our two electric cars and the one from our sister company Hyundai, we have the second highest sales of EVs in Canada, right behind Tesla's.
We have Tesla with the Cybertruck, and Ford still hasn't done this.
Why should Ford put out an EV when they're the number one selling truck in Canada and the world, for that matter?
I suppose why should anybody put out an EV? And I don't think, frankly speaking, if somehow Tesla hadn't come along and some gutsy guy hadn't disrupted everything, I promise you there'd be no EVs. There was no interest and there was no reason for them to do it. I'm here with Nino DeCara from Electric Autonomy.
EVs are new technology. They're advanced technology, they have fewer moving parts, they're smoother, quieter, they release no tailpipe emissions. This is just a technological shift that we should be embracing, regardless of climate or anything else. We should just be embracing this because it's a better form of transportation.
Electric Autonomy.
Electricautonomy.ca.
Okay, so when I came in, I promised we would see something that's transportation that doesn't have four wheels.
Drone Delivery Canada. Once the infrastructure, the fixed infrastructure is set up, it really runs automatically. The cost to recharge the batteries is very, very simple. We have an automated battery management system.
No trip to the auto show is complete without Signature Electric coming over to find out what is happening at the Mini area.
I think last time we talked was probably when we had the concept car for the electric car, and now we have it here in the flesh. This is a full production model. So Mini is officially launching our first fully electric car. The total technical name is the Mini Cooper SE 3-door, and we are launching in retail stores on March 7th.
I'm just standing in front of one of the cars that we didn't look at, which is the Porsche Taycan. Very, very popular vehicle. Porsche customers are very loyal and they're waiting for this car to come out. It should be out very shortly, and we're already getting requests for installation of chargers. So we saw that, we saw drones that we wanted to see, the Mini display looked bigger this year, and we'll look forward to seeing more of these cars on the road. So if you want to see more of this type of thing, you can check out our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Signature Electric, or you can go to our website, signatureelectric.ca. Thanks very much for a great year at the 2020 Auto Show.